Hey everyone, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the brand new Mace Pepper Gun 2.0. This is Mace's newest version, and we'll get right into it. Looks like we have a Pepper Gun OC cartridge. Instructions. So that's what comes in there. You have your actual pepper spray, and I'm guessing in here is a test. I believe you push this forward, and that slides open. Then, yep, a water practice cartridge. Okay, not too important. Okay, we took that out. So, first thought is it feels pretty sturdy. I think there's a light on it. I wonder how to activate that. Oh, that might just be the trigger. So I got nothing in it. Let's see if the trigger. Oh, it's a. So it goes two settings. So it has a light and it has that. So there's that little initial click. Pretty cool. Yeah, and there's a safety. I mean, for under 50 bucks, seems very nice quality. So there you go. Thank you so much, and there'll be more videos to come. I'm going to go out and test this. Thank you so much for watching.